Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Slow English with Tom and Emma.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and I'm so pumped you clicked on this video.
I'm Emma, and wow, we have an amazing episode for you today.
If you're new here, please smash that subscribe button. It literally takes 1 second.
Yes, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
Guys, today's lesson is all about visiting the doctor. So useful.
We're talking about making appointments, describing symptoms, getting medicine, all the real stuff.
Whether you're sick or just need to chat with a doctor, this video is perfect for you.
This is beginner-friendly English. Super simple, super practical.
You'll learn actual words and phrases you can use in real life.
Plus, our conversations are natural and fun, not boring textbook stuff.
Come on, Emma, let's help people learn English.
Medical Center, good morning. Emma speaking. How can I help you today?
Hello, Emma. This is Tom calling. I would like to make an appointment with a doctor, please.
Hello, Tom. I can help you with that. Are you a registered patient at our clinic?
Yes, I am. I have been there before. My last visit was 6 months ago.
Okay, let me check the system. Can you please give me your full name?
My name is Tom Smith.
Could you please spell your last name for me?
Yes, of course. It is S-M-I-T-H. Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I've found your file. What is the reason for your visit today?
Well, I am not feeling very well. I have a bad headache and my throat hurts.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had these symptoms?
It started yesterday evening. I thought it was just a small cold, but today it is worse.
Do you have a fever? Is your body temperature high?
I think so. I feel hot and then I feel cold. I did not check with a thermometer yet.
Okay. It sounds like you need to see a doctor soon. When would you like to come in?
Is it possible to see a doctor today? I really feel terrible.
Let me look at the schedule for today. Please hold on a second.
Okay, I am waiting.
I am checking the available times. I am sorry, Tom, but today is very busy. We have no free time slots this morning.
Oh no. What about this afternoon?
Let me see. I have one free space at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Is that good for you?
4 o'clock is a little bit late. Do you have anything earlier?
I have a cancellation at 2:30 p.m. Would you like to take that one?
Yes, please. 2:30 is perfect. Which doctor will I see?
You will see Dr. Jones. He is a very good doctor.
That is fine. I do not know Dr. Jones, but I trust your clinic.
We need to confirm your contact details. Is your phone number still 555-0199?
Yes, that is correct. 555-0199.
And is your address still 12 Maple Street?
No, I moved last month. My new address is 45 Oak Avenue.
Okay, I am updating your file now. 45 Oak Avenue. Thank you.
Do I need to bring anything with me?
Please bring your ID card and your insurance card. And please wear a mask when you enter the clinic.
I understand. I will wear a mask.
Great. So, your appointment is confirmed for today at 2:30 p.m. with Dr. Jones.
Thank you very much, Emma. You were very helpful.
You are welcome, Tom. Try to drink some water and rest before you come.
I will. See you later.
Goodbye, Tom. Feel better soon. Hello, Tom. Please come in and sit down. I am Dr. Emma today.
Hello, doctor. Thank you for seeing me so quickly.
You look a little bit tired. Tell me, how are you feeling exactly?
I feel very weak. My head hurts a lot. It is a throbbing pain in the front of my head.
I see. On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the headache? 1 is no pain, and 10 is terrible pain.
I think it is a 7 or an 8. It is difficult to keep my eyes open because of the light.
Light sensitivity is a common symptom. You said on the phone that your throat hurts too?
Yes, my throat is very sore. It hurts when I swallow food or water.
Okay, I need to examine you. First, I will take your temperature.
Okay, what do I need to do?
Just sit still. I will put this thermometer in your ear. Beep. Okay, let's look.
Is it high?
Yes, it is 38.5 degrees Celsius. You have a fever. That explains why you feel hot and cold.
I knew it. I felt very hot in the car.
Now, please open your mouth and say, ah. I need to look at your throat. Okay, thank you. Yes, your throat is very red and inflamed. It looks painful.
It is very painful. Is it an infection?
We will see. Now I want to listen to your chest and your breathing. Please lift your shirt up a little bit.
Okay, I am ready.
Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Again, deep breath in and out.
Is my breathing okay?
Your lungs sound clear. That is good news. It means the problem is in your upper respiratory system, not in your lungs.
That is a relief. I was worried about my lungs.
Do you have a cough?
A little bit, but it is a dry cough. I do not have phlegm.
And do you have a runny nose?
Yes, my nose is running all the time. I need many tissues.
Do you have any body aches? Do your muscles hurt?
Yes, my back hurts and my legs feel heavy. I just want to lie down in bed.
These are classic symptoms. Have you eaten anything today?
No, I am not hungry. I only drank a cup of tea.
It is important to drink fluids, even if you are not hungry.
Do you think it is something serious, doctor?
I need to check one more thing. I will check your blood pressure. Can you roll up your sleeve?
Yes, here is my arm.
Relax your arm. You will feel a tight squeeze. Okay, done. Your blood pressure is normal. 120/80.
That is good.
Tom, do you have any allergies to medicines?
No, I do not have allergies. I can take aspirin and penicillin.
That is good to know. Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
I do not smoke. I drink wine sometimes on weekends, but not much.
Okay. Based on my examination, I have a good idea of what's wrong. Well, Tom, based on your symptoms and my examination, I believe you have the flu.
The flu? Is that different from a cold?
Yes, it is different. The flu is stronger than a cold. That is why you have a high fever and body aches.
Oh, I see. I thought it was just a bad cold. How long will it last?
Usually, the flu lasts for about 5 to 7 days. You should feel better in a week.
A week? But I have to work. I have an important project.
No, Tom, you cannot go to work. You are contagious. You can give the virus to your colleagues.
Oh, I do not want to make other people sick.
Exactly. You need to stay at home and rest. Your body needs energy to fight the virus.
Can you give me some medicine to cure it quickly?
I cannot cure the virus with medicine, but I can give you medicine to help with the symptoms.
What kind of medicine?
I will prescribe a painkiller for your headache and the fever. You should take it every 6 hours.
Okay. Will that stop the throat pain too?
It will help, but for the throat, I recommend a syrup and some lozenges. They will soothe the pain when you swallow.
Do I need antibiotics?
No, antibiotics kill bacteria. The flu is a virus. Antibiotics do not work on viruses. Taking them now is not a good idea.
I understand. So, no antibiotics, just painkillers and syrup.
Yes, and the most important medicine is rest and water. You must drink 2 liters of water a day.
Water is boring. Can I drink juice?
You can drink orange juice for vitamin C or warm tea with honey and lemon. That is very good for the throat.
Honey and lemon. I have those at home.
Also, try to eat light food. Chicken soup is excellent. It is easy to digest and it is warm.
I like chicken soup. I can ask my mother to make some for me.
That is a good plan. And you must sleep. Do not watch TV all night. Sleep is when your body heals.
Okay. Sleep, water, soup, and medicine.
I will write a sick note for your boss. You can email it to your office. It says you need to stay home for 5 days.
Thank you. My boss will understand if I have a note from the doctor.
Here's the prescription for the pharmacy, and here is the sick note.
Thank you, doctor.
If your fever goes above 40 degrees, or if you cannot breathe well, you must call me immediately.
I will watch my temperature.
And wash your hands often. We do not want your family to get sick.
I live alone, but I will wash my hands anyway.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think everything is clear. I just want to go home and sleep.
Go to the pharmacy first, then go straight to bed. Get well soon, Tom.
Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
Hello. Welcome to the city pharmacy. How can I help you?
Hello. I saw the doctor today and I have a prescription.
Okay, please give me the paper. Let me read it.
Here you go. The doctor said I have the flu.
Oh, the flu is going around right now. Many people are sick. Let's see what we have here.
I need something for the headache and the fever.
Yes, the doctor prescribed paracetamol extra. This is very good for fever.
How many pills do I have to take?
You need to take 2 tablets every 6 hours. Do not take more than 8 tablets in 24 hours. That is dangerous.
Okay. 2 tablets every 6 hours. I will remember. Should I take them with food?
It is better to take them after you eat something, even just a biscuit. It protects your stomach.
Okay. And what about the cough syrup?
The doctor wrote herbal cough syrup. It is a natural syrup with honey and herbs.
Does it taste bad? I hate bad medicine.
No, this one tastes like cherry. It is quite nice. You need to take 1 big spoon 3 times a day.
Morning, afternoon, and night?
Exactly. Take the last spoon right before you go to sleep. It will help you stop coughing at night.
That is good. I cannot sleep when I cough.
And you also have throat lozenges on the list. These are lemon flavor.
How often can I eat those?
You can take one every 2 or 3 hours. Just suck on them slowly. Do not chew them.
Okay. Is that everything on the list?
Yes, but do you have a thermometer at home? You said you did not check your fever earlier.
Oh, you are right. I do not have a thermometer. I need to buy one.
We have digital thermometers. They're very fast and easy to use. This one costs $10.
Okay, I will take it. I need to check my temperature later.
Do you need anything else? Maybe some tissues or vitamin C?
Yes, please give me a box of soft tissues. My nose is very red.
Here is a box with aloe vera. It is soft for your nose.
Thank you. How much is the total?
Let me calculate. The pills are $5, the syrup is $8, the lozenges are $4, the thermometer is $10, and the tissues are $3.
So that is $30?
Yes, exactly $30.
Can I pay with my credit card? I do not have cash.
Yes, of course. Please tap your card on the machine.
Beep. Did it work?
Yes, payment approved. Here is your receipt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
One last thing, Tom. This medicine might make you a little bit sleepy. Do not drive a car if you feel tired.
I walked here. I do not have my car. I will walk home and sleep.
That is perfect. Follow the instructions on the box. If you feel worse, call the doctor again.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Stay warm and rest well. Goodbye.
Goodbye.